Hey guys, Christian here, Heart and Hustle, empowering you guys to live a kick-ass life. In this week's video, I just wanted to talk about intuition. I mean, I think that's just a human component, but as you're moving forward and you're trying to decide what it is that you want to do, basically just listen to your heart and just listen to your gut. Those are true active things, that be two things that allow you to distinguish where you think you should be to where you actually should be. And one thing that I tell people is prayer is you talking to God. Intuition is literally God talking back to you. So you have to, when I say follow your heart and hustle, that's not this blanket just because it sounds good. No, that's literally 20 years of research, is the fact that you do have to listen to your heart. You get those little nudges, and that moment of intuition always comes at a time when it's very inconvenient, but those are the things that will allow you to progress forward. Intuition is a super powerful thing, and that's the main focus of this week's video, is for you to start listening to your intuition, for you to start taking it seriously, because it's impossible for your heart to guide you in the wrong direction. Now, it is possible for you to not listen to that, and I know that when you get that little strike of intuition and you talk yourself out of it, all of a sudden you feel that little churn in your stomach, like, man, I know I should have listened. I know I should have made that left. I know I should have spoken to that person. I know I should have done this thing. I know I should have checked out this website. So there's all these little things, and that's the way the universe works. The universe is God. Intuition is God. All this stuff is the universe. It's the stuff that you're playing. We're just star material. We're just matter. And a lot of the things are like, oh, well, that's stupid. Of course we're matter. No, but I'm trying to give you a deeper understanding of what the matter is. And that's why you matter. Not that you matter, but you are literally matter. You are the same material that the stars are made of. So all of this is intertwined. I'll give you an example. I was running late to go to the office, put some real estate deals together, and for whatever reason, and I never forget my keys, but this particular day I happened to forget my keys. Now, it's so interesting though that as I ran back inside, I grabbed my keys and I was heading back out. I was coming, boom, with this person. Now in that moment, something told me, say good morning, say hello, be pleasant. I said good morning. I said, you know what, by the way, I do this and that, if you ever need any help. Oh, you know what? I was just thinking about that. That's so funny that you mentioned it to me. So one thing I realized is that God, the universe, will literally make you forget your keys so you can come across paths with someone who needs what you do, who's actively searching for what you do. That's why when they say there are no mistakes in the universe, there are no mistakes in the universe. You're watching this video for a reason. And when I tell you there's no mistakes in the universe, bro, there's good things and there's bad things, and neither one are good or bad. They just are the way things are. The only good thing or bad thing is how do you respond to the things that are happening? How do you respond? Because it's irrelevant what your mom says, what your friend says, what your girlfriend says, what your teacher says, what society says. All that stuff is irrelevant. What's relevant and what's important is, what do you think? What do you think you should be doing? What do you think you should be, what actions do you think you should be taking? What are the things that you should be including in your life? Not based on what they're telling you to do, based on what you think that you should be doing with your life. I'm living the life that is amazing to me. Maybe it's not amazing to other people. Maybe it's super amazing to other people. Both of those opinions are irrelevant. I love them. I bless them. I hope God blesses them with the world, but that's none of my opinion. That's none of anything that is important to me. Because at the end, when all the noise dies down, when all the parties dies down, when everyone goes home, you're left alone, sitting, thinking about the decisions that you've made. And if those decisions were not congruent with who you want to be, if you're doing them because other people, don't do that. So it goes back to that. You have to sit right. You have to download the Daily Hustle Guide. You have to sit and think, what is right for me, away from all the noise, away from all the chatter, away from all the opinions. Don't get folded into what you think is going to be a good idea just based on the fact that you're being scared into submission. No, because let me tell you, I know a lot of people with a lot of money. They're not happy. They're not happy. I chased the money. I chased the cars. I chased the big house. I chased all that. You know what it turns out? After you get all that, you're still a miserable piece of shit. So you need to worry about developing your happiness and your intuition now where you stand. And if you acquire those things, then you will be happy from the beginning into the evolution and fruition of who you are. But if that's the reason you're chasing those things is because you think you're gonna be happy, let me sit here and tell you, and this is where I save you 30 years of bullshit. This is where I save you 30 years of bullshit, is you're not gonna be happy with all the things that society, oh, you got a good job, oh, you got a great house, oh, you got a great vacation. And other people are patting you on the back, but you hate your job. You hate going home. And you look forward to that one vacation a year because it allows you to disconnect from the reality of life. Me, bro, I live an amazing life. I don't work a day in my life. I get to do all the things that I would have done for fun and for free, and I did do when I was younger. Now I get paid to do those things. Now I get paid to teach people how to do those things. And people rely on me for information on how to help them achieve more within the parameters of what do you really want to do? What's your calling? Fuck what anybody says. You have to focus on what makes you happy. You have to focus on who do you want to be, away from the noise. So listen to your intuition. It's a really strong component, and you have to discipline taking action in those moments that it comes. So I don't want to drag out this video super long. I hope it had some impact and some clarity on the fact that you should be listening to your intuition, because that's going to give you the experiences that long term, when you look back, say, damn, bro, I'm glad I did that. I'm glad I said hello to that person. I'm glad I took that course. I'm glad I bought that book. I'm glad I went to that restaurant. I'm glad I went to this location. I'm glad I made a... Trust me, follow your intuition, follow your heart and hustle, and you're going to be guided to your utmost. Like, you can't even believe. I'm an example of, I can't believe this is my life. I can't believe I'm sitting here sharing this with you guys. And I hope that this inspires you guys to do the same. Turn around and inspire others. And by virtue of that, we're lifting the collective consciousness. And dude, this is amazing. This is amazing. And I hope that you join us. I hope that I see you at the very top. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this with like-minded people, because we are building a global empire of badass mother... Watch your mouth. All right, man, I'll see you guys later, all right? You guys have a good day. Peace.